So in this video, I'm going to be graphing the two functions that are in the number 27 and the number 28. Let's graph these. Graphing linear functions is really easy. It's probably the easiest graphing that you can do, besides, of course, graphing points. But this is, for when it comes to a function, graphing a linear function is the easiest kind of function to graph, in my opinion. If it's a horizontal line, vertical line, sometimes people get confused how to graph that. I used to get confused, but over time you get kind of used to it. So this is 7x minus 4. This is not a straight horizontal vertical line. So the y-intercept is negative 4. So I need more negatives here in the y-axis. So let me try to extend this a little bit in both directions. Actually, we don't need this direction. This is the y-axis, this is the x-axis. So negative 4 is going to go here. And let me do this in red. And then 7x, 7 is the slope. So rise over run is slope. So slope equals the rise over the run. This is helpful because this has a rise over run of 7x. So rise of 7, so let's go up 7. So that's going to be 4, and then 1, 2, 3, and then run of just 1. So that's here. So if we go up 7, down 1, that's going to be here. That's our next point. We can go up 7, and we can keep on doing this. So we can go forever, but we don't only need 2 points to draw a line. We can also go down 7 and left 1, because negative 7 over negative 1 is still positive 7, which is our slope, but we don't have to do that. We can do it like this, because I wrote the positive, so yeah. That was a neat line. And that's it. This is our line. Let's do this one. Let's see. Oops. I think I might need more negatives for this one. Alright, so our slope is negative 6. So this is, if I rewrite this, it's just negative 6x plus 3. 3 is our y-intercept. Negative 6 is our slope. So 3 is our y-intercept. It goes through here. And then we have negative 6, which we can either do down 6, right 1, or up 6, left 1. Same thing. We can do any of those. It's not the same thing, but it produces the same slope because of negative 6. Because if we go down and right, it's still negative. Up and left is still negative because one's positive, one negative. So it's going to produce negative. So this is going to be down 3, and then we can go down 3 more, and then that's 6, and then we can go to the right 1. You can do that if you wanted to, and that would be our point. Or you can go up 6 and left 1, which I don't want to do because I don't have space here, but that's something you can do too. And then draw your line. Let's try to make this as straight as possible. And that's good enough. That's good enough. This is our function f of x equals 3 minus 6x. And you can do this for any line. It's just quite simple. You get used to it over time. I hope you found this video helpful.